Assalamualaikum guys, I'm back with another quick tutorial. It's not a quick tutorial actually, it's a giveaway from CBackup and some other popular softwares. I got a mail in which Charlotte mailed me, brother, sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name exactly, just forgive me. I'm glad to invite you to participate in this activity. I'm Charlotte from CBackup, a company that provides safe and efficient cloud backup and storage services. We will give away the software for free. CBackup is conjunction with other 7 major software vendors has held a large gift package activity for the beginning of the school sessions, providing 8 free tools for the educators of your channel. Now software names are CBackup Premium, AnyViewer Pro, KeepSolid VPN, Sticky Passwords, DoYourData Uninstaller, FlexClip Video Editor, and Franzis Easy Photo. These are the awesome tools. By the way, I'm gonna show you here the KeepSolid VPN and I'll show you how it's work. The link is given below in the description, guys. Just go ahead, sign up your account, and then you can easily access the all tools. Anyways, just open this tool first, link, and then sign up with your email. You can use your Gmail, Hotmail, or any email. Just sign up here. I'm gonna sign up my account right now here, just putting the email, then password, and then verifying the verification code. Okay, you have successfully claimed a backup premium account, so that's a huge benefit, guys. You can simply go visit the dashboard directly, just clicking on the to CBackup dashboard, and it's around 5 TB. That's I think enough to storage your data. You can storage anything, you can make task for your working, and I think it's a great thing for education purpose. Just click on the add task and then add source and destinations, etc. You can upload a lot of things. You can download this tool for your desktop. And why do you need to add clouds? The clouds you edit can be used as resource or destination clouds for backup. You can add all your ideal cloud storage and combine them into a large backup space. That's a huge point, guys. Just go ahead, and then you can download the app for your desktop for handling, more better. I'm gonna download it and I'll install it later. Anyways, let's move on the main topic, guys. Let's move on the main topic. Here is our main topic. You will get all the software absolutely free. You don't need to pay, you don't need to register your account with the PayPal or any credit card. It's absolutely free. Just click on the get, $0 to get, and you will get all the software for free. Now I'm gonna show you here how you can get this VPN actually. Just click on the start download. I have already downloaded. I'll show you here how it's work. I'm gonna install it right now. Okay, here is the KeepSolid VPN, and I really like it. I've already tried before, but now here with this setup, just extracting it into a folder so we can easily find the folder from desktop and then open it. Now simply you need to install this VPN. Just double tap on it and you will get a installation interface, and the upper one, the node file, is actually basically your redeem code in it. Now I accept the agreement and click on next, and then again click on next, and then here is your setup, guys. Simply click on next, create a desktop shortcut, it's on you, and then click on install. Now when you open the license code, you will get here the backup code for 6 months actually. Okay, anyways, just go ahead and then launch the Solid VPN. Once you launch, you need to sign up your account here using Facebook, Google Chrome, or you can just make your own using email. Now I'm going here with Facebook account. That's actually better for me, I guess. So it's an easy way to just sign up. Now I am from Pakistan and it's showing me in Urdu languages, but in your case you will get according to your country language. Now just click on the continue. And success. That's it. Automatically it will close. Just check these both options and then click on OK. Once you OK, it will automatically log in your account in a few seconds. It's depend on your internet performance. Anyways, on the first login you will get 7-day trial. Once you click on the settings icon on the top corner, and here you will get a redeem code. Just paste your code here and then click on the redeem. The code was successfully redeemed. That's it. Now 6 months 8 days left to expire. So what are you waiting, guys? Just go ahead, and this VPN have a lot of free servers. You can just change your servers and definitely it will secure your DNS as well. So that's mean no one can track you like while using this VPN, and absolutely it's a premium version, so definitely they are not selling your data. You can also visit the KeepSolid VPN website where you can just check out the prices. It's too much expensive right now, but anyways, with this website, the CBackup and several other software vendors are giving you this package. Just go ahead, guys, don't waste your time and share this video actually with your friend so they can also take advantages from this giveaway. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.